Agriculture often places significant pressure on natural resources and the environment. Sustainable agricultural practices are intended to protect the environment, expand the region's natural resource base, and maintain and improve soil fertility. Sustainable agriculture seeks to increase profitable farm income, promote environmental stewardship, enhance quality of life for farm families and communities, increase production for human food and fiber needs. There are certain activities which can be taken up by the community members, which would make agriculture a sustainable practice and ensure that agriculture will continue to be a source of food and fiber for future generations. The first such activity is paddy-cum-fish farming. This involves the simultaneous production of rice and rearing of fish in the irrigated rice fields. Fish may be deliberately stocked or may enter fields naturally from surrounding waterways when flooding occurs, or a bit of both. Paddy-cum-fish farming systems allow the production of fish and other aquatic animals from the same rice field area and generally without causing reductions in rice yields. This source of animal protein may be important for household nutrition and farm income. The paddy field is surrounded by bunds or dikes to retain water, and trenches are dug in the middle of the paddy field for rearing the fish. The diagram given is for a 1,000 square meter plot, and the cost incurred for preparing this plot of land for paddy-cum-fish farming is 62,000 rupees approximately. Another activity that can be taken up is organic farming. It is a production system which avoids or largely excludes the use of synthetically compounded fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators, genetically modified organisms, and livestock food additives. To the maximum extent possible, organic farming systems rely upon crop rotations, use of crop residues, animal manures, legumes, green manures, off-farm organic wastes, biofertilizers, mechanical cultivation, mineral-bearing rocks, and aspects of biological control to maintain soil productivity and tilth to supply plant nutrients and to control insect, weeds, and other pests. Agroforestry establishes a symbiosis among agricultural crops, tree species, and raising livestock. In other words, these are complementary and beneficial to each other. Agri-silvipastoral system is a type of agricultural practice where trees and agricultural crops are grown together and animals are reared in the same lands at the same time. The two most commonly reared animals in our state are pigs and hens. Not only are they a source of nourishment, but they also provide economic benefits to the farmers. In order for these animals to thrive, proper care must be taken, which includes the sheds that they are put in. This design is recommended for a poultry shed. The shed measures 4 meters by 2 meters, and the cost of constructing a shed of the given proportions is 1,65,000 rupees approximately. For a piggery shed, CLLMP recommends the given design. The shed measures 3.4 meters by 3 meters, and the cost of constructing a shed of the given proportions is 2 lakh rupees approximately. These are some of the activities that can be taken up by farmers to increase their farming income, provide better nourishment to their families, and increase their production.